Nitariki isano na ibere omotienyi oikomi omwaka wa chirubere nemerongo ibere na inye mwanchumuriria Ondizi TV andonsi soto tengerete ninuno kwigenanga nigondete gutwara omugaso omuya ikaranso ike benkumanya buna abere gagwateka urwake disinza chamambi wikira abono mugaso iterne nkoro kwa Job Maangi kwiranande secretary ya chambe benkumanyi ngana rali abere koneki wa kurwake disinza chamambi wikira abono mugaso. Mwanchumurelia Ondizi TV na wakwenda kutubwatia wetera senchira ya mtandao oito Facebook Ondizi TV News Digital ensemo area ya YouTube Ondizi TV News na wetera senchira yekerero www.ondizitv.net amayeni ngochura chaka kurwa ase county area ya Kajiado ase kiombe kiabagusi bamenyete ime ya county area ya Kajiado babiri bagocha amo na korosia ekiombe kirabege kobareta amo senchira yochikwene kinga nkwegenderia ere osenkwegenderia bale nabo yokwene kinga babeire bagoikirania amaganio abo babwate egati county chiria chirabe chigocha amo osaba gusi bale sichi county chiria cha Nairobi Kajiado na Machakos ne chinde nigo bara bagocha amo edine kwene kinga babeire bakurwanira obwene bwabo nawe kwenyorera egechali kyabo sensemo area ya kisiasa.
Obo mweito abuchini yaito na ero gatomu sera ukatwanchane abantu bali atomenyete wikamakore mwanchane
abantu bayite mu kitika abantu bacho barejeste no abantu chiri gukomi mobera asemo kubwado omuntu kakintu abatorete nero no rutogeni omuntu ominyo abagwata ubwato mwabo ubwato koboko karaki
nonya na abana ntubangete gocha onye kunyarikana gocha kubaira iburu iga bantu totereke gete motera yesi bori yenkoro abana batere kapsa rinde na intitore kanena ntororo to base gusiria identity yetu muno musi andonse astogo to komenya na tomenya tega iga tongende ikiagira ganonga
kwa sababu hii ni jamii kubwa katika Kajiado County na inatakikana wapate njia ya kuweza kusimama pamoja na kufanya kazi pamoja na hata kulinda wengine na kusimamia wale ambao wako wadhaifu ili wakati wanapopata mashida waweze kujua mtu wao wamepata shida namna gani, watu ambao waweze kupeleka watoto shule, hivi vitu kama hivi.
Togoska bosioni go wetera ase omwakili obo Tom Indi enka yomwegereri bwene bw'amanyabanto Murara Kebaso yaberge gwesoki bene nakoganinga abali bonzi babete bakumusagana nabo kumutigera chingoma chindi chinga keburaburi abete kone kigwa ase nyomberia yoko aligania emega ya Bomas litukoli gosangereria ebirengere litukoli juma babakwirerwa ege tambokyo nigo baba wichana kugikeria ege kole kinotebanga mamincha yeri chiko keromo Kenya obera gwesoki bene kurwa ebirengereri byaye akobaga gusaganwa chingaki abanyanyimbo bamo tengerete
of government officers, police, fully in uniform, armed to protect every Kenyan. Before, leaders of parliament and Kebaso was literally attacked and armed a peaceful Kenyan who had gone to participate in what we were calling a public participation, saying attack him, kill him. That was quite unfortunate. Words being spoken, everybody listening, this is not a secret, quite unfortunate. And we are here as a family to condemn one of us, to tell the world that Kebaso has a family, where he comes from, he has a region. If we talk of regions, he has a region where he comes from. Kebaso is a peaceful young Kenyan. God is calling upon the blood of Kebaso. God will revenge on our behalf. It is high time and we demand the IG and his team, the director of CID, where are those people who attacked Kebaso before the media cameras were there? Can we see them being arraigned in court? That is our
Nonyanga omokonyi umuraiwense Rigathi Gachagua obeteka gusaba okwaberwa ase kanisa litukole igoro elinde abaraibuze umuraiwense Dr. William Ruto n'ababunge babe bakomwabera anye obere gakoba mochanigo ensemo y'ababunge babeire bagoteba ng'anigo goika babe bakomwaka isiko asengenjo amamocho abere gakoranigo aramane naende nigo akoba gakogosereria kubagekana busikobaga ense yeito ya Kenya engana yabete kwenekibwa nomo bunge bwensemo area ya Mbeere North Geoffrey Ruku.
Kama wewe ni kiongozi wa kitaifa, jukumu lako na kikatiba ni kuleta viongozi na wananchi wote wa Kenya wajisikie huru na wasikie wakiwa nyumbani katika kona yoyote ile ya nchi yetu ya Kenya. Wale wa Kikuyu ambao wanaishi hapa Rutoto wako nyumbani na wako na haki ya kuishi, kumiliki mali na wasikie wakiwa nini nyumbani. Sasa hii maneno ya kila siku, wewe ni kiongozi mkubwa umechaguliwa na Wakenya wote. Unafika hapa na Wakenya wamekuchagua, afadhali mimi mbunge wa Mbeere North nilete salamu ya wabunge ya watu wa Mbeere North. Lakini wewe ni kiongozi mkubwa, unaleta salamu ya watu wa Mlima Kenya. Tumejaribu kukaa na huyo kiongozi, tukakaa chini, tukamwelezea rekebisha maneno. Wachana na hii vita. Leta Wakenya pamoja.
Wono nigo okobolie kwabere okorwegwa ase chikanisa nabo igo abarai bechi dini agweso kibene na koligia koleta lichibu egati yomokonyi bumurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua numurai bwense Dr. William Ruto enega beteka okwanwa nomokonyi bumugavana bwe county ya Machakos Francis Mwangangi oyobra batebanga okubagekana egati yabarai abo bakisiasa ni okorachi koirera ense yaitu ya Kenya koirana maega ase amagendro ase bono abera otebanga nebwenrete abaraya bwikaransa nabo koligia gotema koligia omoeso nabo kwene kinga ngokora bare chitobauti cyabo.
I'm calling upon the national leadership of this country, that is the President, His Excellency the President and his deputy. The way to go is dialogue, and where it has reached, because we are seeing division from across the country, maybe I propose to the top clergy in the country. We have the groupings of the like NCCK. We have a conference of Catholic Bishop and the other groupings to come in and maybe mediate with a view to restoring peace in this country, because we want peace for the country to grow. We want peace to ensure we move forward. So the only trusted person remaining now from where we are is that of the church and the religious organization in this country. So I'm calling upon them to play a big role in uniting this country. Going forward, we had a commitment. The commitment was from none other than the head of state. As a deputy president then, he committed never to take the route he is taking upon assuming the presidency. We are seeing some institutions in the name of parliament taking that route. Secondly, it is unfortunate. We are seeing Kenyans reject what was passed in the National Assembly. I think it is
abo bisa ase kiombege usangirelia evango yake areni go babere bago sabwa otumeka chinchera chekerero anemono ase uchukwene kinga eserekali gochire usangirelia evango ase nchira ere eyobo ikirano kago kwa na chingaki abo ikirana ege ikaro kyaba obisa ase kiombe yake RA nigo omo teneneri wabo waziri oyobo igotenete amangana rengete chinse cheisiko Musalia Mudavadi abawatebanga serikali neruete bene asego chikwene kinga ngo kiniere uchumi ense icho Kenya lino chikwene kinga aba Kenya nkonyora vale amagendro una ebwenrete
base widening the scope for domestic resource mobilization. We should rethink traditional tax rules and be prepared to implement global solutions that ensure all sectors contribute equitably to the national resource base. The Kenya government, under His Excellency Dr. William Ruto, will continue to invest in capacity building and technical skills training for the public servants to fully leverage these technologies and maximize the gains from innovation. Accordingly, it is encouraging to note that the program of this summit has not only placed emphasis on unlocking revenue potential and digital integration in the tax system, but also captured critical matters of our time, including efficient maritime services, environmental taxation, and green customs, cybersecurity, smart customs in the digital age, risk management, and gender equality. It will be interesting to get the Kenyan, African, and global perspectives on these and other related matters, including artificial.
Togoskabosioni go abaibuli bale n'abana bale nobolema babeire bagosemiwa kubasokia elinde banyore obokonyi nabo ikubaira asti skuru elinde bachikonyora chisemi anigagendrete chibose ayaniga bakwanwa chinga kyobotu kibogendrete elinde kumanya ninki kwirera ane mono chi county chinde chibwate omochando bwa bana bakuiborwa no mochando okebongo.
Tuweze kushirikiana na National NCPWD na serikali gatuzi na ya kufanya utafiti hasa Kwale. Tunajaribu kuangalia, je, ni sababu gani ambazo kwamba zinaleta ulemavu, je, zinaweza zikakingwa mapema. So ni jambo ambalo tuko sahihi kwa meza tukijaribu kuangalia ni vipi tutafikia pale mahali ambapo tunaweza tukafanya research nzuri kuhusiana na hii element ya mambo na disability hapa Kwale.
Tumia hizi the structures which we have kuhamasisha watu, kuambia kwamba huu ni ulemavu uko.
Mimi mwenyewe niko naye mlemavu, yuko 3 years kwa sasa. Changamoto zenye napata ni ukaze moyo, lakini usipokaza moyo utamwacha nyumbani. Maana yake hata uwezoulizwa huyu mtoto atakusaidia na nini?
Walete wale watoto tuwajue, because nina imani kwamba ukiexpose yule mtoto anaweza akapata msaada zaidi badala ya kumficha pale ndani. Accept vile yuko,
kwa sababu hivi sasa tunaona katiba yetu inawapatia nafasi nzuri sana ndugu zetu wenye uwezo maalum. Na pia ukielimisha mtoto, muelimishe tu kama mtoto mwingine yule aliyoko pale.
Monchumurelia Undizi TV abunotora cyokorera amangana majia chinsa isano na ibere chabono mugasita na nkoro kwa Job Maangi nayo bakwene kinga chibiche chiboyo na Mariogi abera ukira a senchira yobo ikera nere masela. Monchumurelia Undizi TV ukara singa kichinde na abere nko baganelia oburilia obya Imyandizi TV nabwo obwansu bumugusi.